So I just created an AI agent that can fully manage GoHighLevel. Let me show you just a taste of how this works. So I'm going to go over here to my phone and just send a message to my AI agent. And we're going to start with a few basic tests. Then I'll explain how all this works and all the different things you can do. But first, I'm just going to have it create a contact. Create a contact named John Smith. Email is johnsmith425@gmail. Phone number is 310-219-2243. Okay, so just like that, I've sent a message over to my AI assistant, and it will now create this contact inside of HighLevel. This is just a basic function. Make sure to keep watching. This will completely change how you think about using GoHighLevel for your business, or if you're an agency, how you use this for your clients. I just got a message here, says done, contact created successfully. So we can open this up right here and see that this is basically going to be created. So there you go. Let's do another test here. Awesome. Can you add to my notes that I need to call him tomorrow at 4 p.m. and I need to discuss with him how he can start automating his GoHighLevel using my AI agent. Put that in the notes section, please. All right, so boom, just like that. And you can text it as well. You don't have to do voice, but voice is way faster, and I'm literally just scratching the surface of what this AI agent I built can actually do. So just keep watching. You're gonna see, I'm gonna kind of slowly level this up and show you guys that literally nothing is the same with GoHighLevel or softwares anymore. You're gonna be able to have AI agents that do everything for you inside of your CRM. And all you're gonna have to do is literally send it a text or a voice message. And I even programmed mine so it can call me. So here we go, done, added to John Smith's contact notes. So if we go ahead and click into this contact, there is the note, okay? So that is just like a sneak peek of how this works. Now I'm gonna show you guys some other functions that it can do as well, and then I'll break down how this all works. So the value here as well is you're not gonna be, just telling your AI agent, hey, can you go and add a contact? That's not the purpose of this AI agent. The craziest part about this is that I can literally set it to clear my inbox, clear my opportunities, keep everything organized, and basically run the whole CRM every single 24 hours. I could do every hour. So I'm just demonstrating to you guys the function of like manually showing you how it works. But the craziest part about all of this is I built these different systems so that, hey, every Monday at 9 a.m., go through all the opportunities and organize everything properly. And you could have that happen every single day, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You could do it however you want. So let me just show you another function here. So can you add John to the sales pipeline under the contacted stage? Thanks. So like I said, I'm adding, these things manually just so you can see that I'm not even using my hands on GoHighLevel. And I could be, out on vacation, whatever, and literally this thing will do everything that it needs to do right here on the computer, okay? And I'm literally scratching the surface of what this can do. I'm doing my best to give you guys these simple, practical things to start with, but I've been building this the past week, and every single thing that I've thought about HighLevel and how things will work moving forward, boom, you guys can see that in real time. I'm not here. That is what this thing can do, okay? So it totally changed every single thing I thought would happen with AI. I just didn't even understand that this would be how it would manifest. Now let me that you see how this works. Let me break down what this can do, how I built it, and essentially how you can do the same. And I'll give you some real practical use cases as well, so you can understand this technology, okay? So this is called OpenClaw, okay? However, there are a ton of different ways to do what I'm about to share with you. But essentially, this is an AI agent. So you've probably heard of AI agents. Even GoHighLevel themselves talks about like they have an AI agent, they have an AI employee. However, the difference between, what has been released up until now is that you could go to ChatGPT and say, hey, can you, help me with my CRM or help me figure this out? And then it just tells you all this stuff to do, right? However, what the real AI agents can do, which is what OpenClaw can do, is you can think of it like ChatGPT or Claude or any sort of AI model with hands. So ChatGPT tells you what to do, but OpenClaw actually understands what to do and does it for you. So these are all the specific things that I actually have programmed my AI to do. So out of the box, AI agents really aren't going to do anything. Like, you can talk to them, but you have to know how to actually set them up to do the things you want them to do. That's why I can send it a voice message and say, hey, can you add a contact, or can you move them in a smart list? Can you respond to a conversation? Can you move them in my pipeline? Can you get me all of my calendars and my availability? All this stuff you can do. Now, these are great, right? These are all great. These maybe will change your entire perspective. Like, I can't believe I could have an AI do this. But here is the crucial thing, okay? Because I want to make sure all my content is grounded in reality and what is actually useful. So if you are anything like me, right, then this would be true for you, okay? So you're either a business owner, okay, and you use GoHighLevel to run your business, or you are an agency owner, which is also a business owner, but you run your business with HighLevel, but you also provide services using the GoHighLevel platform, right? So let me ground this in reality for you so you understand the power that this technology is out. This is out. You can go and use this and start doing this, right? You need to have these skills essentially that I've already created and built. That's what I spent the last week building. But this is out there. This is ready. This is coming. So I want you guys to know about it. So going back to this point, if you are a business owner, right, you use GoHighLevel to do things like manage conversations with leads, right? So this means if you get a lead and that person starts responding, you want to make sure that you're responding to them as well. And you could be doing this in a few different forms, right? You could be going in there, responding to the leads yourself, or you could have your team, going in there and doing it. But essentially, GoHighLevel is the interface, right? It's the tool that allows you to actually see your contacts and see what they're saying over text message, email, whatever, etc., right? So that's what you use HighLevel for, or one element of it, right? Additionally, you may use it to do things like book appointments. You may use it for things like the dashboard, reporting. You probably call through it, right? So you make calls or you receive calls. And there's quite a bit of other things you can do here, right? You can make funnels, you can make websites, but essentially, whatever it is that you're doing here or you have someone doing, right? The goal is to most likely save you money and make you more money by running your business more efficiently, right? That's kind of the whole point. So if we strip everything down to their first principles, you use GoHighLevel as a human, right? Or you have someone doing it for you to get you towards a specific goal, which is to like getting more people to pay for your product or service, right? And so what this AI agent can do, okay, is you can not only have it do one-off actions like what I showed you, which really isn't that valuable, like add a contact. You're most likely already running ads or have some form of capturing leads on your own. So there's not really a value of like, hey, go add a contact, right? I'm just showing you that, using my voice, I can add something to the CRM. But what you can do using this technology is it's called cron jobs, but you could really just think of this as like recurring tasks that are automated. So let's keep it real simple because the agency owner will innately understand this as well, right? So if you're running your business using HighLevel, this means responding to leads, booking appointments, making people show up, etc., right? And so where this technology will radically change how people use HighLevel or software is that we can essentially create these recurring tasks that are automated. So for example, let's say that part of running your business effectively is keeping your pipeline organized, right? So knowing who is where in the pipeline, like who's booked an appointment, who hasn't, who do we need to call, right? That's essentially what HighLevel does, but it's dependent on the human, right? Like someone has to do this job, right? They have to organize the pipeline. Someone has to qualify the leads. Someone has to book the appointments and make sure they show up. Someone has to track the data, right? And so what can happen with this recurring task is we can tell our system, hey, every day at 9 a.m., do the following, okay? And then each of these specific things are going to be like their own skills or processes that the AI agent can learn. But you basically say, here's how to organize the pipeline, okay? And because this system has access to all the messages that are sent in by the contact, it knows all the contacts, it knows all the names, it can send messages, it can send emails, it can do everything in the CRM pretty much, then you can create a process for organizing the pipeline. So how do you organize the pipeline? Well, maybe you look at the last 10 messages or so, determine where this lead is at, and then you adjust it accordingly, right? How do you determine if a lead's qualified? Well, maybe you look at the whole conversation, look at the transcript of the phone call, see if they're qualified, and then you would move it into a pipeline or you would give it to your best sales rep, whatever, right? Same thing with booked appointments. How do you make sure people show up or people that are no-shows get followed up with? You can build all of these things and automate them inside of HighLevel, right? You can kind of pre-program them. But that's not what the future looks like. The future is having the AI become the brain of your operation. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm working on. And that's why I had to show you guys this, because this is undoubtedly going to change the way that businesses operate using software, okay? So instead of you, the human, being the brain, it's funny, you will actually be looking for the best solution for your AI agent, because your AI agent will be the one that organizes the lead, qualifies the leads, makes sure everything is organized, and essentially running like clockwork, okay? That's what we're gonna be able to do here. You can already do it, you just gotta go and learn these tools. Now, here's another thing. If you're an agency owner, guess what? You may be like me, where you run, Facebook ads for a client, and then, you have a funnel, and you have some leads and booking bots and stuff like that. Guess what? I can literally go here and say, run a Facebook ad, and it literally will go and create the Facebook ad. It will choose the targeting. I can choose whatever I want, right? Like I can tell it, do it here, this budget, this placement, and it'll do that. But it can also take the data from the Facebook campaigns that are working, and then on a recurring task every day, it goes and checks the data and decides, do I need to run a new ad? Do I turn this one on, or do I leave it, right? It can do the same thing in your HighLevel. It can manage your entire client's CRM for them, so that you don't have to hire a VA or a client success person to actually do it. And I'm only making this video just for the HighLevel people that are, in my audience, which is probably the majority, but I've got this thing linked to Google Sheets. I've got it linked to email. I've got it linked to a platform called Trello. So at one point I was giving it so many things that I needed to organize that I said, hey, I'm losing track of it all, like just over message. Can you organize it into a board? And then it visually created the board for me with like, what do I need to do? What's done? And then guys, I'm telling you, then it goes and does it. So all you have to do is get it connected, and then essentially it can start doing things in your CRM, okay? So this technology is out for all the people that are my affiliates or inside of, my communities. I will be creating content on these things and these skills essentially, because like I said, you could download this and go use it. And there's a bunch of other ones as well. It's not so much about OpenClaw specifically. The AI agent thing is not going to be, oh, well, I built an AI agent that does stuff for me and I just have to keep programming it. No, the real future is you just give it access to your stuff that you need, and then it just goes and does it, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing this information with the people that are partnered with me or join my school group, because this can literally run your agency for you, and you'll be able to there's so many things I could talk about. I'll just leave it there for now. But you can have it run ads. You can have it analyze data of your ad accounts. You can have it analyze data in your GoHighLevel account and follow up with the leads every single morning, or whatever. You could do it literally every 5 minutes if you want. It's checking for new messages and auto responding, auto updating the pipeline. So it's absolutely insane. And it runs on any model you decide. So you can use it on ChatGPT. You can use it on, I don't know how much AI you guys know or care about, but essentially ChatGPT is the most popular one people know. But you can essentially run it on any type of AI model, and it'll do those different things that I shared. But like I said, how to actually make it do stuff, you have to create skills. I burnt like $1,000 creating just, I created like a bunch of skills, but I burnt $1,000 because it was like, I just didn't even understand how it worked. And then now I get it, and now I can just run it. But this will change the way you use your software, and it will change the way that businesses operate with software. I had to get this out to you guys. I'll see you in the next videos. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.